When you plan to do something unthinkable, all you need is a mindset to hit the road and face the challenges. That's when the real adventure begins. This is our adventure of 2000 kilometers of roads, skies, and stories. Welcome to the first episode of the Maharashtra Guide.
So this ride has been in a making for over a year right now, and today it's finally come to life. Now we'll be riding to the mountains on this ride, not the Himalayas, but the place which is closer to home and our hearts, the mighty Western Ghats. Needless to say that we'll be riding on one of the most beautiful ghat roads of Maharashtra, the Tamini Ghat. So we'll be riding for 5 days, and I'll tell you about those plans in a while. So other than that, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing good. So currently we are in Chitradurga right now. Look at those windmills right there. If you see so much of windmills alongside the highway, you will know that you are in Chitradurga. So let me get on the bike and I'll tell you more on the plan for this ride. Alright, so back on the road again. So let me tell you the plan right now. So this ride is going to be for about 5 days. Now today we are going until Pune, which is around 870 odd kilometers. So we started a ride around 5:45 a.m. and it was raining badly, and I was not able to record. Now we have done around 197 kilometers as per the Odo right there, and we have another probably 650 or 640 kilometers to Pune. Now the following day we will head towards Mulshi and Tamni Ghat, and there are few places like Salvia Ghat and Kundalika Valley, and all of that we will be exploring on that stretch of roads. And after that, the third day, or maybe as per the time, we make our Kumbe waterfalls in Nizampur. So that is another beautiful waterfalls that you may end up seeing in Maharashtra. So that is there in the plan as well. And post that we'll be descending to the Konkan area. We'll be covering Ganpatpule, Ratnagiri, as well as Devgarh beach. That's the only beach in the entire South India where you'll be able to see the windmills by the beach. Now here you'll be able to see windmills on these surfaces, and in Devgarh you'll be able to see it by the beach. So this ride will be loaded with loads of views, so stay tuned for that. Now we have to go to this place called Shivalli Hotel, which is outside Davangere, around 70 kilometers from this place, for our breakfast, and get going on the same road, which is the Pune Mumbai highway. Alright, so we reached Shiva Hotel. So I often get confused with this hotel, which is I end up saying Shivalli sometimes, but in reality it is Shiva Hotel. There is a Shivalli Hotel near Chetpatna, and I get confused between that and this place. So here you get amazing rice bath as well as some good vada and dosa, pure veg though, and the food is great. So that is why we just come here when we are in this stretch of roads. So it is around 287 kilometers from my location. And look at that, Shiva Hotel, pure veg. So yeah, so let's have our breakfast here and continue the ride. Alright, so we're done with our breakfast in Shiva Hotel. We had a couple of rice baths and some coffee. That's about it. So we thought of keeping our breakfast light, and now we have to fuel our bikes. I think, yeah, I just have 2 points and Manju's bike already hit the low fuel level. So we gotta search for a petrol bunk, fuel, and then continue the ride on the highway. So let me tell you something about this road. So here on this road there's loads of construction work that is currently happening. So this is the Bangalore, Pune, Mumbai highway, but then again there's loads of construction work that is currently happening. And there is another route where it deviates from Chitradurga, Hospete, Vijaypura, Solapur, and then to Pune. That road is really fantastic. You may have to cover some distance because there are about some 30 or 40 odd kilometers deviation from this route. We're on this road which is leading to Dharwad, and this is the current state of this road. So it's been like this for about 4 or 5 years as per my knowledge, or maybe even beyond that, I'm not entirely sure. Now I just came to Goa twice on these roads, and once I went to Rajasthan as well. Now we took the same route all the way till Mumbai. The road condition is still the same. So this is the only stretch of road where you will be end up in the two-way traffic. But other than that, once you pass Dharwad, it will be again 4-lane roads. But you gotta be careful with these trucks, auto drivers, and two-wheelers especially. They just come from nowhere like this, and there are a lot of blind spots over here. So you gotta be careful about all of those in this stretch. Okay, so we're a little outside Belagavi. So Belagavi, from here it is around 42 kilometers, and look at the view from up here. Now in this stretch, sometimes you may end up seeing these blue skies and white clouds, and sometimes you end up seeing such dark clouds as well. So we're literally racing against them, so making sure that we are just passing them as soon as possible so that we don't get stuck in the rain. That's the whole idea. But then again, more or less, when we enter Maharashtra, I think it is going to rain. But let's see how that goes.
Some rides are routine, but some become unforgettable. With just two of us, the open roads, and the endless skies, we set out on a 2000 kilometers of pure adventure, creating memories and living every moment on the two wheels.
This is Nipani. So this is the place where you first enter into Maharashtra and then to Kolhapur. Road conditions, if I have to say, look at it. That is a kind of a construction that is happening. Some roads are like this and some roads are one way, or maybe the two-way traffic will come on the same road, or you'll be able to catch up some good speeds in this stretch. But if you're in the car, that's a different story. All right, the time is 3:14, and there was so much of rain when we entered Kolhapur. We were literally not able to stop anywhere. And the other incident is my rain cover for the bag just flew away. We didn't even notice where it went, and we had to wrap up the cover and do some, Indian jugaad on that. So we'll have to figure out if there is a bag shop or something where I can pick up a rain liner. But other than that, this is gonna remain the way it is, wrapped up in a cover. We're gonna have a lunch here, which is Hotel Renuka. This is slightly outside Kolhapur. So back on the road again. So we finished our lunch in Renuka Hotel. It was okay. I mean, wasn't that great. We had misal pav and dal khichdi. It was okay. I wouldn't recommend. But then again, the plan is to go figure out a bag shop in Karad. So that's the major city that is going to come up next in 1 hour and 4 minutes as per Google. So we'll just figure out kind of a rain liner for the bag and then get going towards Satara and Pune. That's the plan. But as of now, I don't think so it's gonna rain. Looking at the blue skies in front of me, but you never know. Let's see how it goes. Look at the view. This is the view that you get here outside Kolhapur. Farmlands after farmlands, sugarcane fields, both on the left and the right. It's quite scenic though, this stretch of road. Alright, so we came to this back center, which is Manik Banja, if I'm reading that correctly. So I was able to get this rain cover, which is very nice. Got it for 140 rupees, and it just not a perfect fit, I must say, but then again it just serves the purpose. But it's very nice. But for now, our job is done, and we have to hit the road towards Satara and Pune right now. The time is 5:58, and this is Satara. And look at the view right in front of me. Those windmills on the top of those mountain ranges over there and over here also. Just looks beautiful. I mean, this is a landscape that you end up getting in this stretch of road all the way from Kolhapur to Satara. These sort of similar views you'll be getting back to back. It's very nice though. And look at that, Satara left, Pune, Mumbai straight. Alright, so this is the first tunnel of this stretch, and after crossing Pune you'll be able to see a lot more tunnels before entering Mumbai. But look at it, this is the first tunnel that you may get after passing Satara and before entering Pune. So damn long. It's all fun riding in the tunnel.
Inside the tunnel, it wasn't just about the ride, it was about us sharing the thrill, the laughter, and the questions of how, when, and where. These unexpected moments turned into memories that carried us all the way to our destination.
Okay, so this is Pune, and we reached Pune at around 7:46, and we really got stuck in a bad traffic jam, something like this in the opposite direction. But now it is quite free. But then again, from the past 10 minutes we were just stuck in a bumper to bumper traffic. So we have another 5 kilometers towards deviation which we must take to Mulshi, and we will just take that deviation and then halt for the day. There are loads of lodges, resorts, restaurants, anything you name, you have it over here in Pune. That's the best part about the city. And it just reminds me about Bangalore traffic. Look at it. The time is 8:15 and we found a room in this lodging and boarding Paradise Inn, and this place is right in Mulshi Road. This is the Mulshi Road, and this is the deviation that we must take from the Pune main road. So Mulshi is around 30 odd kilometers from here, and this road leads to Mulshi, Tamini, Savalya Ghat, Kundalika Valley, and all of those places we have to take this particular deviation. So we just took around 14 to 15 hours to come to Pune because of bad roads and my rain cover issues, and of course we just had to stop for vlogging, drone shots and whatnot. Ideally this is not the time that we would take to reach any particular place, but then again this time it just took much longer than expected, and we just checked into this place and it started raining over here. So let me tell you about the road conditions. So the road conditions from Bangalore to maybe I would say Haveri or maybe even Belagavi is just okay, you can manage. From Belagavi to Nippani, the roads are not that great. There's a lot of deviation, there's a lot of potholes here and there, and you may have to be watchful about it. From Nippani to Kolhapur, there's a lot of deviations that you may encounter. Bad roads, set of good roads, and mostly the roads are bad. And from Kolhapur to Satara, the roads are excellent, and from Satara to Pune, the roads are good as well. But from Satara to Pune, there are a lot of traffic depending on the time that you travel, so you may want to consider this. So yeah, so pretty much that's the summary of the roads, and that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked this particular video. If you did, please like and subscribe to the channel, and as always I will see you in the next one.